Hello, my name is HASEENA. I'm came from Nalgonda district, and I have recently finished my graduation in Princeton Women's College under the stream of data science, which is a sub-branch of computer science and engineering. And I recently joined Qspiders in the month of October, and I recently got placed as well. And my joining date is 22nd of this month, December. So because of this Qspiders, I have learned a lot, the communication skills, the confidence, and based on the presentations and based on the mocks and all, and I learned a practical knowledge based on the assignments, and I have learned a lot of confidence in the body language, how you have to be in front of interviewers. I learned a lot of things from the faculty of Qspiders, JNTU branch. And I'm very thankful to get such kind of trainers to me to guide for my career growth. And many thanks to Raghavendra sir. I learned a lot from you, and you are the one who always thinks from students' point of view. I learned a lot from you. You are such an inspiration for me all the time. And yes, because of the groomings and all, I have gained a lot of knowledge. Because of which I get able to place as soon as possible. And yes, Qspiders is the best place to place place early in our requirements. And yes, I suggest you all to come to Qspiders and join here, get placed as soon as possible. Thank you for me.